Hello students, welcome back. We are going to discuss about the ear. Today's topic is ear, and in this we are going to discuss about how the what is the structure of ear and what are the different functions of those structure. Actually, human ear is concerned with the two functions, hearing and body balance, and it has a three main divisions: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. You can see here. This is outer part, means this is called as auricle or pinna. Two names are given. The outer part is having one projecting part, that is called as auricle or pinna, and this part is called as auditory canal. This auditory canal is just you can see that external auditory canal is connecting with the tympanic membrane. This tympanic membrane is called as eardrum, and this will also help in receiving of sound waves. And internally, the in the backside of the tympanic membrane there is a tympanic cavity, and this is called middle ear. Okay, and this middle ear is having three small bones, that is malleus, incus, and stapes which is attached to the oval window. And this one is having one round window at the lower side, and the middle ear is connected with the throat via Eustachian tube, Eustachian canal. This Eustachian canal helps in equalizing the pressure between the external ear and external auditory canal and in middle ear. So this Stitchen canal is helpful, that is lying below side, you can see here. And then afterwards, these three bones, they are collectively called as ear ossicles. Ear ossicles means little bones, and the handle of the hammer bone is attached to the inner surface of the eardrum. You can see one malleus, one part is attached with the eardrum here, and the other part is attached with the second bone, and its opposite end is connected to the anvil, which in turn is joined to the strap. The flat part of the stirrup fits to the so-called oval window. Actually, this stapes is another name is strap, and the membrane covered opening leading to the inner ear. This oval window is leading to the inner ear, and then there is a round window which is also covered with a thin membrane. It is also connects middle ear to the inner ear. Okay, and inner ear is also called membranous labyrinth. It has three parts: the cochlea, semicircular canal, and vestibule. And the cochlea is spiral shaped, look like a snail's shell, and this is filled with the endolymph, perilymph, and organ of Corti is present. That means which is a hearing organ in this case. I'll tell you later on. And then semicircular canals are also present there. These semicircular canals arranged at right angles to each other, and they are also helping in dynamic balance. We will discuss now. Next one is here. You can see the clear picture of oval window. 1 minute. You can see the clear picture of oval window and round window and ampulla. Ampulla is a swelling part of semicircular canal. Okay, and these are the semicircular canals. Three semicircular canals are there, and this is cochlear region. Cochlea. Cochlea you can see here, and the greenish part below side, that is called vestibule, and bluish structure are called as semicircular canal. So now next one is process of hearing, how we can hear. So when the sound waves are passing through the pinna and traveling through the external ear, passing through the external auditory canal and then reaching to the tympanic membrane, that will vibrate the tympanic membrane, and tympanic membrane vibration will given to the three ossicles, that is ear ossicles, and ear ossicles will amplify these sound waves and transmit it to the oval window. Through via oval window it will reach to the cochlear region. As you know that cochlear region is having two types of fluid, endolymph and perilymph. So that cochlear duct, vestibular duct and organ of Corti are lying into the cochlear region. So you can see here in this the cochlear region is flat. We have flattened it. 1 minute. This cochlear region is now flattened, and then you can see the proper structure. So when sound waves are reaching to the tympanic membrane, then this will sound wave will pass on through the amplified by the ossicles, means malleus, incus and stapes, and then it is vibrating the oval window. From oval window it will vibrate the upper layer of this cochlear region, which is called as scala vestibuli, and the middle part is called cochlear duct, and the lower part is called as organ of Corti, which is a place where we can hear, hearing cells are present, and the lower part is called as endolymph will be present in the middle part. Median cochlear region is filled with the endolymph, and the outer two regions, that is scala vestibuli and scala tympani, that will be filled with the perilymph. The middle contains area possessing sensory cells, that is spiral organ called as organ of Corti for hearing. You can see here organ of Corti for hearing. Organ of Corti for hearing, and the nerve fibers arising from these cells join to form a auditory nerve, and sensory cells lie on a basilar membrane. Basilar membrane is also supporting membrane below side, and this is the function of cochlear region. And here I want to tell you some extra structures of balancing. You can see here semicircular canals are visible. These semicircular canals are having ampulla, and after that there is a endolymph space, tectorial membrane and spiral basilar membrane. And you can see here round round window and oval window, and the scala in saculi in vestibule. Vestibule region is having two parts, that is utricle and sacule, and these are meant for the actually that saculus and utriculus, which are present into the vestibular region, they are meant for the static balance. Whatever the static balance when the body is stationary is, as in standing, that will be controlled, that will be handled by these portions, that is utriculus and saculus. And the dynamic balance, when you are in a motion, then this balance will be controlled by the ampulla of semicircular canal. Ampulla of semicircular, because their sensory cells are present in ampulla of semicircular canal, and these are meant for the sensory cells present in these ampulla are meant for the dynamic balance when the body is in motion, and the saculus and utriculus, saculus and utriculus are meant for the static balance. So students, this is all about your ear. The rest we will discuss in next. Thank you.